Hello from MWC 2019. Here we are at the ZTE booth with the Blade V10. The smartphone is a mid-ranger because it packs an Helio P70 octa-core CPU and 4 GB of RAM and either 32 or 64 GB of internal storage. The screen is a 6.3 in size and Full HD Plus resolution. It looks pretty good. It's not the brightest one. Right now it's pretty bright. It's bright, but it's not one of the brightest we have seen here. But it's in its price range, which we don't know yet. But we imagine that it will not be too expensive. It should be a pretty good phone. As you can see, bezels are quite thin as well, and there is a small notch, which is a mix between a teardrop and a water drop. It looks pretty nice.
Yeah. So
and the bottom bezel is thicker than flagship phones, but that's what you expect on a cheaper device. And overall, it feels really nice. There's a red power button on the side. On the back, there are two cameras. There is a 16 megapixel shooter and a 5 megapixel shooter. The second one is just for capture depth information, so it's kind of useless. There is no wide angle, ultra wide or telephoto lens. But the selling point of this phone is actually on the front, because this camera here is 32 megapixel. We don't know right now which sensor it is, but this is kind of unusual resolution. It's not 48 megapixels, so it's not the Sony IMX586, so it's some other image sensor. We can check the image. It's quite good for the lighting condition here at MWC. This is actually quite a good selfie. It's a quite good selfie camera. So yeah.